Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. Welcome back everyone. Today I'm bringing you a farmhouse inspired Dollar Tree DIY for Easter. We're going to be making this very simple Easter egg topiary using things you can find at your local Dollar Tree. Let me show you what you'll need for this project. First, you'll need either some jute twine or decorative nautical rope. Both can be found at the Dollar Tree. I did use this one. While I was there picking up the rope, I picked up this large foam egg, and yes, it is covered in lots of tiny beads that keep falling off. You'll also want to pick up a medium-sized clay pot. These are found in sets of 2 or 3 at your Dollar Tree. And some floral foam. This is just a little piece left over from another project. You will need a wooden dowel. They do sell these in the set of 15 at Dollar Tree, and again, it's something I just grabbed out of my stash. Some reindeer moss or different moss shred of your choice. And of course, you'll need some paint for your pot, your glue gun, and a little bit of sandpaper if you like. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your dowel and your pot painted so that they can dry while you work on your Easter egg. I chose to use this Oops paint I picked up from the Home Depot for 50 cents. It's kind of an ivory creamy color. And I just went ahead and got everything painted to set aside and dry. Next, you're going to want to take your Easter egg and remove the hanging ribbon on the bottom. I just cut it off. It does leave a little hole that will come in handy. So now I was looking at the rope and decided it might be a little too bulky. So I'm going to go ahead and separate the nautical rope into the 3 pieces that it is bound into. Now this does take a minute, but I think the payoff was worth it. And I was just watching a little YouTube while I did it. Once you've got all your ropes separated, you're going to want to go ahead and get your dried dowel to insert into that little hole at the bottom of your egg. Now all I did was use a little bit of hot glue and go ahead and stick my dowel right into the hole that we removed the ribbon from. Go ahead and let your hot glue dry, and then add a little bit more hot glue right around your dowel to begin attaching your jute rope. Now this can take a little bit of time, so make sure you have plenty of glue sticks nearby and maybe something to listen to while you work. I do have a little trick to share with you all that I learned from doing this DIY. So I would add a little bit of glue and then go back and twist the rope before I push it down onto the egg, and it seemed to go on so much better that way. Continue adding a little bit of your rope at a time until you've covered the whole egg. Once your egg is completely covered, if you would like to, and I did choose to, get out my little sanding block from the Dollar Tree and just scuff my pot up a little bit to make it a little more worn and rustic. Then I went ahead and added a little bit of hot glue inside of my pot before putting my floral foam in. Next, I used my dowel to mark the placement for my topiary. I added a little bit of hot glue and then inserted my dowel to the height that I liked. Lastly, I went ahead and added some hot glue on top of my floral foam before adding my reindeer moss. Once my moss was all in place, I decided to use some of my scrap rope to add a little bow at the base of the egg, and I just secured it with a tiny little bit of hot glue. And there you have it, our finished product, our farmhouse inspired Easter egg topiary DIY from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY for Easter, and I'll see you all back very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.